What's up mga kabladline? Welcome to another new day, new vlog. Nandito na naman ako sa river. The river that I'm at right now, it's called Funny River.
So weird.
Yeah, because over here we like to laugh a lot. But anyway, you know, hopefully we'll catch some fish, and you know, this is another place that I go to. Like I said, it's called Kenai River. So, and the counts are good, so it we should be seeing 150,000 of fish coming up.
Oh my god!
So we'll see. Alright mga kabladline, nandito tayo sa river ngayon. We're at Soldatna. Fish. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. But I can't keep it because I snagged it. So this is what I caught right here so far. I got two. We'll see. There's a lot of fish. Oh, it's a snag again. Dang it. Dang. They're really close. Really close. Guess this is good for the views, huh? Well, we need to get it in the mouth. We need to catch, not release. Oh, fish. Oh, this one looks like it's a legit fish. Yep, legit fish. There we go. Yeah. Should have brought a net. Oh man, you're a little feisty, huh? Oh jeez. All right, stay right there. Alright. Fish. Oh shoot, fish off. Fish. Alright. Fish on. Alright mga kabladline, pang-apat na to. Oh jeez. Jeez. Oh. Fish on. This looks like an Okay, perfect. You have to freaking work that hard for it. Fish. I'm not gonna lose you again. Okay, so I got another fish and another fish. No, sir, I'm originally raised in Hawaii, and then moved here about 10 years ago. Yeah. Yes, sir. For the better. Right. Fish. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'm actually heading out next week Monday. Eureka? Yeah. Oh, fish. Oh, jeez. There is a lot of people. Oh, jeez. I got snagged.
What are you doing?
Man, I need to just hook them in the mouth, not somewhere else. Is it hard to get? Oh, fish. Oh man. Okay, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. All right. Oh, jeez. What's that, ma'am?
Does that help a lot?
Well,
Because I know I've gotten quite a few on, but then, you know.
what's your, what? Whew. Oh, man, mga ka-bloodline. Man, there's so many fish. I'm definitely coming back here. Oh, go right ahead, sir. So, as I was saying, I'm definitely coming back here on Friday. Whew, there's so many fish right now. Oh, fish. Three more. Oh man, looks like everybody's catching here. There we go. Now the 150 is definitely showing up. So, forgot to tell you guys, mga bloodline, that the reason why I caught the gill, of course, you know, look at it, just to definitely bleed out the fish. You know, I like to do that. All right, so I need 3 more. Oh, fish. Oh man, my goodness. Oh, fish off. Nice. So my fishing buddy he caught one right there. I mean, definitely has a lot of fish right now. You know, as the saying goes, if they're there, catch them all. Well, of course you have to catch a limit, you know. When you're doing on the fall, is that you do a general or you're doing a draw?
On the sheet?
No, on the moose, or this fall fish. Ah, no, it's a snag. It's fish off.
I don't think for long wrestling you can do that. Down here on the road.
It's a snag, so I'm not too worried, man. Easy. There you go. Fish. It's a snag though. It's a snag. Is this caribou? Fish. Oh, this is a small one. Well, fish is a fish, so I won't complain. This is a small one, I say, but fish is a fish. Can't complain, so. Right? Tell me about it, you know. You know, with all this fish that is coming up, you know, you figure they're gonna race it up, so. Oh yeah. Well, I hope they do it, you know, by Friday, so. So that means I can bring home 24. So there you go, mga kabadline. We got one on. This is how good of the fishing is, you know. It's everyone is catching. Oh, I got a trout. Fish. Oh, fish off. Oh, jeez. Hey, I got everything on camera, man. So.
Oh yeah.
You know, every fish, man, I get it on camera. So. You know, with this much fish on the water, man, you have to take a video. So.
And when it's this hot right now.
Right? Oh, definitely, man. Yeah. It's a Alaska Pinoy official. I appreciate that, man.
I'll subscribe. I'll give you a like.
Hey, don't bash me, bro.
No, I won't.
Oh, that fish. Got fish on. Nice. What's that, man?
I said, you hammer him. I love it.
Oh.
Yeah, right about.
What's that, sir?
Do you go after silvers?
I try to, but I just mainly do
Reds?
yeah. But to me, it just depends on how hot is the silvers, you know.
Right.
Then I'll go. But
He lives in Portland, Oregon now.
fish. Oh shoot.
Here he was up there in Sportsman's Paradise.
Fish up. All right. It's another snag. Oh, come on. Really? This is... Oh, that's good. All right. Will this be my last? Will this be my last? Oh no, that's on the dang it. Well, there you go, mga bloodline, for the views. Oh shit. But it's not, it's, oh, I have to let you go. Yeah, it's on the fin, so.
You don't eat it.
Yeah, unfortunately I don't, so
Oh,
I just like to catch them. Is it this one? Oh shoot. Man, I'm having a lot of fun right now. Eee. This is just too much fun. But, oh jeez. Again, unfortunately, I can't get it. I can't take it. Man, I need to catch that last one. Memories is getting full again. Lots of fun. But fortunately, I can't get it. There you go. Woo, for the views. I'm trying not to, you know, I'm trying to catch my last one. Oh, come on. Really? I am just having fun, but need to hook them in the mouth. Look at that. There's so many action. There you go. Yeah. Woo. Oh, come on, man. All right, will this be it? Oh man, really? I just need one more. Yeah, oh, fish. Will this be it? I think so. Yeah, I think so. Oh, come on. Oh. That looks about right there. Okay. Yeah, you better stay. Oh, jeez. He was right on there too. Man, I'm just having too much fun. I need to catch a fish, not catch and release. Okay. Hopefully. Oh. All right. Finally. There we go. Yes. All right. Oh. Okay, mga kabloodline. So definitely a good day of fishing. You know, people are starting to show up. You know, we have some up there, and then, you know, down here. So, you know, like I said, it's definitely a good day to fish. I already caught my 12, and now it's time to head back home. So hopefully I'll come back on Friday again. So I'll show you the fish that I caught in a little bit. All right. Oh, dang. It's not as good as but anyway, this is what I caught. Right here. Okay, mga kabloodline. This is the fish that I caught. You know, it's that's 12 right there, and you know, I'm ready to go home. And so
Chris has got to control that.
So okay guys, just watching PJ. Oh, nice job! Yay! So there you go guys. There's another
Put the net in the water, Crystal.
another guy catching a fish.
Scoop, what's up?
Nice job! Alright, nice fish. That's how we do it here in Alaska. Alright. Alright, Peach. Get it. Take your time. Take your time. Don't rush. Don't rush.
I don't want to drop.
No, 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 no.
Nice. Oh, net it. Oh, nice job. All right. Woo-hoo. All right, guys. Me and John has spectating. Hey, I'll edit that. So, but anyway, you know, we've been watching PJ for the past couple of hours catching his fish. So trying to, yeah, there you go, trying to. But I'll get back with you in a little bit as soon as he hooked up one. So, all right, guys. So PJ, he caught the tree over there, and then this is how we pass rods. So there's PJ down there. PJ. All right. Crystal got a fish, and let's see if PJ can land it or net it.
Hard right, Crystal.
Put your net on the put your net on the bottom. Come on, PJ. Let's go, man. No, it's right in front of you. It's right behind, below you. It's right in front of you now.
Point the rod, hard right.
Actually, yeah. It's right in front of you, bro.
Crystal, look at the branch.
It's literally right in front of you. Go. Oh my goodness!
No, 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 no.
All right, this is Crystal's last fish. Hopefully she can land it and PJ will net it. Real.
Point your rod to the right. Oh!
Oh, the fish! The fish! Your fish! Pull up. Nice. All right, mga bloodline. I think I'm done for the day. And once again, if you like this type of video, please show me some love and some support. All right, peace.